Very good morning, dear students of Standard 6. Today we will come with the history chapter, that is lesson number 8. If you have book with you, then open it to lesson number 8. State after the Maurya's empire. That is textbook page number 36 to 41. Okay, this is your lesson number 8. So here are some summary, few points which I will teach you, or you can say it's important points which you have to keep in mind. So the first one is the Shunga dynasty. After the death of Emperor Ashoka, the Maurya empire declined. अब एम्पायर अशोका मरने के बाद उनकी जब देहांत हो चुकी थी तो मौर्य एम्पायर जो था वो पूरी तरीके से डिक्लाइन हो गया था. बृहद्रथा वॉज द लास्ट मौर्यस किंग. पुष्यमित्रा शुंगा, द कमांडर ऑफ मौर्यस आर्मी, लीड द रिवोल्ट. ही एग्जॉस्टेड. बृहद्रथा was founded the rule of Shunga dynasty. He exhausted means what? He put completely effort to bring this Bridhatha, okay, and founded the rule of Shunga dynasty. इनको इकट्ठा लाया गया. अगर इनको इकट्ठा नहीं लाया जाता था तो ये डायनेस्टी नहीं फॉर्म्ड होता था. सेकेंड वन, द इंडो-ग्रीक किंग. द इंडो-ग्रीक किंग was a Greek king who ruled in the northwest India. Menander of Milinda is Indian writing was a prominent Indo-Greek king. His dialogue with the Buddhist Bhikkhu Nagsena was the Buddhist philosophy and compiled in a book called Milinda Panha, the questions of Milinda. He wrote a book. Compiled means what? He have written all the information collected. He had just founded the information collected from the other books. Okay. Next, Kushana king. The Kushana tribal from Central Asia invaded India and established their rule in the northwest India and Kashmir. The Kushana king started the practice of minting gold coin. The Kushana king जो थे वो उनके लोगों ने क्या किया, गोल्ड कॉइन किस तरीके से मेटल थ्रू बनाते हैं वो चीज़ का प्रैक्टिस किया. Imprinting the image of Buddha and other Indian deities. Next, Emperor Kanishka. Emperor Kanishka was a prominent Kushana ruler. His rule extended from Kabul to Varanasi. He convinced the fourth Buddhist council. He convince mean what? He have bringing together all the healthy well to the Buddhist council. He founded Kanishkapur, a new city in Kashmir. He have formed a Kanishkapur as a new city in the place of Kashmir. Ashwaghosh composed Buddha Charitra and Vajra Suchi. The famous Vaidya Chakra was in the court of Kanishka. Now next is Gupta dynasty. The Gupta dynasty ruled India for nearly 300 years. गुप्ता डायनेस्टी जो थे वो पूरे इंडिया में कब तक रूल किए थे? दैट इज 300 years. Sri Gupta founded the Gupta dynasty. Chandragupta first laid the foundation of Gupta empire. He was succeeded by Samudragupta, who rule extended from Assam to Punjab. He also conquered territories up to Kanchi in the south. A stone inspiration of Allahabad described the conquest of Samudragupta. Chandragupta II सक्सीडेड समुद्रगुप्त। अब चंद्रगुप्त फर्स्ट जो था वो फाउंड किया था, ठीक है, फाउंडेशन किया था गुप्ता एम्पायर को। अब चंद्रगुप्त सेकेंड जो था वो कहाँ पे सक्सीड किया था, समुद्रगुप्ता को कन्फर्म करने के लिए सक्सीड किया था। ही एनेक्स मालवा, गुजरात एंड सौराष्ट्र। अब उन्होंने कौन से देश को इकट्ठा किया, कौन से स्टेट को इकट्ठा किया, अटैच किया उसमें, दैट वाज मालवा, गुजरात एंड सौराष्ट्र। ही एस्टैब्लिश्ड मैट्रिमोनियल अलायंस विद द ओवर पावरफुल Vakataks in the south. It is assumed that the iron pillar built near Delhi was built by Chandragupta. Fahim, the Chinese traveler, visited India during the rule of Chandragupta. Now next is the Vardhaman dynasty. The Vardhaman rose to a power with the decline of a Gupta in the 6th century AD. Prabhakar Vardhaman was the founder of Vardhaman dynasty. Who was founder? It was Prabhakar Vardhaman. Emperor Harshvardhan was the most renowned Vardhan king. His rule extended from Nepal in the north to the river Narmada to the south, and from Assam to the east to Gujarat in the west. He had established friendly relation with the Chinese Empire. And King Bhaskaravarman of Kamrup. He was a follower of Buddhism. Harshvardhan wrote and played the Rathavali, Naganand and Priyadashika. Trade flourished during the Rhine. ट्रेड जो था वो पूरी तरीके से डेवलप्ड हो चुका था, ठीक है, ये टाइम में. ही वॉज द बेनोवेनेंट किंग हु वर्क फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ हिज सब्जेक्ट. He learned Chinese bhikkhu Yan Chang visited India during the time of Harshvardhan. Bana Bhatt wrote Harshcharitra, a biography of Emperor Harshvardhan. बाना भट्ट जो था वो हर्षचरित्र एक बुक उन्होंने लिखा था जिसके अंदर एम्पायर हर्षवर्धन का पूरा बायोग्राफी छपा हुआ था. द पावर इज नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया. Pushyavarman founded the Kamrup state in a 4th century AD. Pragyajyotishpur was the capital of Kamrup. The kingdom extended up to a Brahmaputra valley, Bhutan and part of Bengal and Bihar. During the reign of King Bhaskaravarman, Yan Chang was visited Kamrup. Okay, these are the important points. If you read the textbook, you will able to understand the whole story. Now let's come to the question answer. Fill in the blanks. You have to note it down. See, first fill in the blanks. King Menander is referred to a dash in Indian writing. King Menander is referred to as dash in Indian writing. Answer is Milinda. Milinda. First answer is Milinda. Second one. Kanishka was the famous king of dash. Answer is Kushanas. Kushhanas. You have to find the answer. Even I am repeating the answer, but still you have to find the answer from your textbook. Third one. The Chinese traveler dash visited India during the reign of Chandragupta. Who was the Chinese traveler? Fahim. Fahien. Fahim. Dash wrote the Sanskrit play Ratnavali, Naganand and Priyadashika. Who wrote? Harshvardhan. 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 Fifth one, dash was the famous Vaidya in the court of King Kanishka. And the answer is Chakraka, Charaka. Next one, from the decision of Buddhist philosophy between King Mahendra, Buddhist Bhikkhun Nagsena, a book called Dash was compiled. Milinda Panha. Answer is Milinda Panha. Answer number 6 is Milinda Panha. Seventh one, the Greek king who ruled in the region of northwest of India and Dash king, that is India, were known as Indo-Greek king. Indo-Greek king. And the last one is Yang Chong visited Dash during the reign of Bhaskar Varman. Kamrup. Kamrup. Okay, students? So, note down the questions. Now, next question is match the column. You have to match with group A to group B. This you have to do in your own. You can write down the question, read the textbook and find out the answer. Group A, Pushyamitra, second one Brihadrata, third one Kanishka and fourth one Prabhakar Vardhan. Group B, renowned king of Kushanas, second one founder of Shunga dynasty, third one founder of Vardhaman dynasty, fourth one Indo-Greek king, and the last one the last king of Maurya dynasty. Okay, this you have to do in your own. Now this is the second match the following. Even you have to do this in your own. First is Sri Gupta, second is Chandragupta first, Samudragupta and Pushya Varman. And group B, patron of learning and art, founder of Kamrup kingdom, founder of Gupta dynasty. Next one is author of a play Ratnavali and Naganand. And last one laid to the foundation of Gupta Empire. You have to search the answer from your textbook. This is third question of same match the following. Group A and Group B. You have to match them from your textbook. Clear, students? So here I stop with today's lecture. I will start the next video in my next lecture. So till then, have a great day. Do write everything as given in the video. Till then, have a great day.